playing, where we're playing, the date, our goal that was given, our team goal, final score, did we win or lose, what we did good, what we did not so good that we need to work on. Watch how she gets up and plays her and gets to 5 seconds. 1, 2, now she's got to get rid of it. She can't hold the ball. This right here, turning your back around, is not helping. You can't see anybody. Face everybody and get her off of you. That's more of what we need to do, but finish. That's more of what we need to do. All right, so let's go get started. I know we'll be a few minutes late. Stretch, form, shoot, 10 free throws, then we're going to split up and post the perimeter. Be out of here a few minutes after 5 before you hurry.
Mount Sales to be known in the girls program as a basketball program from now on. Always compete in the region, stay playoffs, and just stay after it, stay hungry. We're starting to see some kids buy in. We're starting to see some kids working hard on the off season, working hard during the season. A lot of young freshmen and sophomores stepping up. The seniors are a good group. They lead this group. They stay on them. They stay after them. They work them. They push them. 2 seniors that we have, starters. They started last year. Hard workers at every practice they can be at every game they can be at. Good leadership. You just can't say enough about the junior and senior class. We want to try to keep the floor spaced, run a lot of quick stuff, fast breaks up and down the floor, a lot of man, half and full court man, and just get after it.
All right, we'll go down the back, 12 seconds. If you don't make it, you got another one.
I mean, I hope obviously everybody has like a good memory of me, and that they remember that you can do both on a basketball team. You can have fun, but also you can work hard as a team.
We started something new. Everybody's hands in. Everybody's close.
Come in! Compete! Guys on 3, guys on 3! 1, 2, 3! Go, 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 go!
Big rival here with Ace. They were 4, 5-0 before they come in tonight, so they've won a bunch of big games. So we're very fortunate to have Kenna Smith as well. Lost her early in the season with an ACL injury, but she has stepped in and helped the coaching staff tremendously.
I'm still trying to be a part of the team. I still sit on the bench for every game. We definitely are a crazy bunch of like some of the weirdest people at the school, but I've built good relationships with them.
You got to stay after. You got to keep attacking. When you get into game subs, you got to help us out. You cannot get in there and hurt us. You've got to stick to the game plan. We are going to pass you the ball. We're going to pass you the ball. Keep working hard on defense. Keep getting rebounds, okay? Finish strong.
Finish on 3, finish on 3!
1, 2, 3, finish! Good.
What he said?
Well, the seniors specifically, we've been pretty tight ever since when we've kind of grown up all together. So we're very close, sometimes a little too close, but we all love hanging out together.